So hi everyone, welcome back to the another episode of the Codersarts. So in this video we are going to discuss a new project idea series on the AI based learning. So in this project we are going to learn about how to make a NutriGenie application with a personalized AI based meal planner. So basically what is here idea is like we are going to create a AI based meal planner. So let's move to the introduction part. So, in introduction, presenting a NutriGenie and innovative AI-powered meal planner and app designed to create customized meal plans that align with your body, unique nutrition requirements by considering various personal health parameters. NutriGenie offer expert nutritionists and suggested the meal plans to promote the healthy and eating habit and improve overall the well-beings. So, what is the problem statement here? Many people struggle to create a meal plans, like we can see in our market and in our family as well, in our relations as well. So, there are many people are struggle to create a meal plan, that we are not able to create a meal plan on regular basis. So, that means to the specific nutrition and needs, leading to the suboptimal health outcomes. And traditional meals planning can be a time consuming and may not be accurate reflect to the individual dietary requirement, so leading to the frustrations and the poor adherence to the health and eating habits. So we can see a lot of problem due to the meal, and our parents are also facing a lot of problem, and our old teachers, professors are also facing some meal problems as well. So in this problem we are going to provide a solution which is called a NutriGenie, and used to use the advanced AI algorithm to analyze the personal health and the parameters such as the weight, height, BMI, and the calorie intakes, age, and more. So by leveraging this data, the app create the customized meal plans and the tailors to the each other nutrition and needs and the goals. So offering a convenient and a scientifically backed approach to a meal planning is basically is not that we are going to creating some key features in our application as well. So we are going to provide personalized meal plans, generate the customized meal plans based on the individual health and the parameters in the dietary preferences. And what the secondary we are going to provide is basically a nutrition analysis, provide the detailed nutrition breakdown of the each meal, like what is the nutrition is provided in our meal. So by using this the nutrition breakdown, we are going to provide this and ensuring each meet with the dietary requirement. So according to the requirement, we are going to provide the breakdown of the each meal. So, and the third feature we are going to introduce is basically our expert recommendation. And the expert recommendation offers a meal suggestion that based to the guideline from the expert nutritionist and the dietitian. So, the fourth one is basically the AI powered adjustment, continuously adapt the meal and the plans based on the user feedback, progress, and the changing the health goals. So, the recipe, fifth one, we are going to provide the recipe database. So access the vast amount of the database of the healthy recipes with the step-by-step instructions. So, and the sixth one is the shopping list generator. Like we are going to create a shopping list as well, like which will be automatically generate the shopping list based on the selection of the meal plans. So, what is the shopping list here? Basically, according to the need of the personal requirement, we are going to provide the shopping list as well, like what the groceries are available in our home or not. Like according to this, we are going to create a shopping list as well. So the seventh one is the like dietary preferences. Accommodate the various dietary preferences and restrictions, including the vegetarian, vegan, and the gluten-free, and many more. So we have some of the diabetes patient as well in our family and our relatives. So we are this will be very helpful for our relatives and the family. So the last one we are going to do is the progress tracking. So what is the progress tracking here? So we can going to track the user dietary intake, weights, and other health metrics to monitor the progress and adjust the plan accordingly. So in this idea, we are going to create this type of application. So if you wanted to create this application, or you have any other idea on the AI based project or a normal project, so you can just contact us as the contact@codersarts.com for the expert help and support. So thank you everyone.